In today's lesson, we are going to download CrackMe 11. This CrackMe is packed with UPX 3.91 packer. Your task is to unpack it and then patch the unpacked file, or number 2, create a loader for it. And this is what it looks like. You have a text input to enter the serial key and a button to check. And so the instructions are here. Unpack me or create a loader for me. So there's a link here. You can click this to download the file. Click on the link and it will take you to the GitHub, and over here you can click on the download button to download the file. After the file has downloaded, just cut it and put it in your CrackMe's folder, pasting it in here. Now you can unzip it and the password is crackinglessons.com. Now that the file has been unzipped, you can delete the zip file and rename the uncompressed folder with the prefix 12 dash. Now inside here, if you open the folder, you will see a CrackMe subfolder. You can cut these two files and place it in the parent folder and delete this empty folder. So after completing, you should have a main folder 12 CrackMe 11, inside of which you have two files. One is a packed file and the size is small. The other is an unpacked file, the size is bigger, and you can see the difference here. Now according to the instructions, use file 1, the packed file, to practice unpacking and loader. And file 2, which is this file, is for you to compare to see what is the difference like between a packed and unpacked file. So now we can test our files with Detect It Easy. Test the unpacked file. The unpacked file is the original file, so let's open it with DIE. And you see that it is compiled with Boolean C++ and linked with TurboLinker. Now let's open the packed file with DIE. And you will see there's a difference. This time, DIE has detected a packer, and the packer is UPX 3.91. So that is how you can detect a packer. Use Detect It Easy to detect whether it's packed or not packed. So now we can close this and run it. So we can run the unpacked file, and this is what it looks like. If you enter anything, click check, you get sorry, wrong key. And the packed file is exactly the same function, just that the difference is the size, and the packed file has got a stub. The stub is the unpacker. So let's open the unpacked file first with x64dbg and do some comparisons. So the unpacked file, the entry point here is 402254, and this is the start of the actual executable. So I'll take a screenshot here so that we can compare with the packed file. So let's take a screenshot. Now we close this, and now we open the PAC file with x64dbg. And notice there's a difference. On the left is the original unpacked file, and you can see this is the entry point, jump CrackMe 11 pack, and then here EB10 and so on. And the starting address entry point is 00402254. Now if you compare with the pack exe, you will find the entry point is somewhere else. It's at 808 the 8B0, and this is the entry point for the unpacker or the stub. So in the pack file, the unpacker will always run first because it needs to uncompress the original exe file into memory before it can run. So that's why you notice the difference. And another characteristic is you see push AD here, which we discussed in the theory part in the previous lesson. And here there is no push AD. It jumps straight to the executable itself. So this is the difference between the pack file on the right and the unpacked file on the left. That's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.